Learning the interface. So as you open up Adobe Photoshop for the first time, you may see this exact screen. On the left, you have the Tools panel, which we are going to use most often. Each item in a toolbox has its own options on the top of the screen right here. So you have a huge variety of options. And on the right, you have a series of different panels. Most of those you are seeing right, we are going to use most often. But we definitely are going to use Layers panel a lot. In this case, we need Layers panel to have more space in our screen, so we are going to close Color Swatches tab group and Adjustment Styles tab group. But now you realized you may need Color and/or Swatches palette, right? What are you going to do? How to revoke them? Well, you just go to Windows and select what you want to have on your work screen. Right here. I choose Color Swatches tab. That's simple, but we are not going to use Swatches and Colors tabs, so we need to close them. And one last thing, we need to make sure we have Paragraphs tabs close to us. So go to Windows and select Paragraph. Alright, we have our paragraph close to us. And in the next lesson, we are going to look at layers.